it says 60 is 250% of what number? When you see of, hopefully you're thinking, that's the bottom number. It's out of. Like, if I had 8 cats and 2 of them didn't have fur, it'd be 2 out of 8. Okay, that kind of thing. Okay. So, let's see. 60 is out of something that I do not know, because they're asking me about it. So I'm going to say I don't know what the total is, but I'm comparing it to a situation that's 250%. And I know how to write 250%. I write 250 over 100. It's how I write every percent. It's always over 100. So I have a situation where I have 60, and it's going to be out of something, and it's going to be just like when there's 250 out of 100. In other words, I said I only had 100 things, but it turns out, I had more. I had more than the whole thing. I had a warehouse somewhere, and there's more than the whole thing somewhere else. Someone gave me some more. So 250 out of 100. I imagine 60 is going to be bigger than the number on the bottom, too, just like 250 is bigger than 100. But we'll do this the same way we've been doing these problems. We will do the butterfly method. And sounds good to me, butterfly. 60 times 100, that means add 2 more zeros, because 100 has 2 zeros. So I add 2 zeros to 60, is equal to 250 times x. And now I just say, well, let me get this 250 away from x. It's 250 times x, right? So I'm dividing to undo the multiplication. And I divide by 250 here. And I say, oh, those are a lot of zeros. So I reach for my calculator and I say, let's see, 6,000. And I'm dividing by 250. And it turns out it's 24. 24 on this side. On the other side, just x. X is alone. That means I'm done. I've solved for x. And then I just pause for a moment and I think about it. Is 24 a lot less than 60? Yes, just like 100 is a lot less than 250. Yep. So that seems to hold up pretty good.